Welcome back to 5 Minute STEM. Today we're going to be going over the fundamentals of image processing in Matlab, and I'll be using the images that come with the image processing toolbox for Matlab. Alright, so let's start out with figuring out some basic information about a given image. And in this case we'll use the cameraman image. So I'll set a variable im for image equals imfinfo. And then cameraman.tiff, and we'll want to know the color type, so im.color type, so that'll tell us if it's a grayscale image, color image, index image, etc. And then we want to know the width, so w equals im.width, and the height, im.height. And we want to print that to the screen, so fprint f. And then I'll do image type. And that's %s for the color type, because it'll return a string of characters. So the variable name is c. Printf for image width. And this is going to be %d, because it's going to be in decimal notation. And w. Image height. Again, it'll be %d. Alright, and then just run it, and there you go. You can see that it says image type, it's a grayscale image, the width is 256 pixels, and the height is 256 pixels. Alright, so now I will show you how to convert different images to another color type. So let's say a colored image to grayscale image. So first I'm going to just clear all, and then clear the command window, just delete this. So let's do a color image to grayscale first. So im equals im read. To read in an image, we'll start with autumn.tif, and then we want to show these images side by side, so it'll be subplot 1, 2, 1 for the first image, im show im, and then we'll just add a label and call it the original image. And now let's do im2 equals RGB to gray. So it's going to convert the RGB image to a grayscale image. And this is going to have a subplot 1, 2, 2, and show image 2, and then the X label we'll have as grayscale. Now let's just run it. Okay. There's the original image, and we converted it into grayscale. All right, so now let's try the same thing, but with an indexed image and convert it to grayscale. So let's just clear all. For this, it's going to be x map equals imRead, an indexed image, so canoe.tif, im equals index to gray, x map, subplot 1, 2, 1, im show, we'll show x map first, that's the original, the label, original, all right, and then for the grayscale, subplot 1, 2, 2, im show, im, x label, grayscale. All right, so that was the indexed image, and we converted it to grayscale. All right, so let's try one more. Let's try grayscale to index. So I'll just clear all again. im equals imRead. We'll use the cameraman image again. X map equals gray to index im, and we'll do 16 for 16 indices. Subplot 1, 2, 1. im show, im. This is the original. One, two, two. And then im show x map. And this is the index image. Okay, so there's the original, and this is the indexed with 16 indices. All right, so we'll do one more thing. We'll break out an image into, let's say, 8-bit planes. So again, let's just clear all. Let's read in autumn again. Figure to show the original in its own separate figure. And then another figure for the 8-bit planes. So just call it b equals bit get im 1 for the first bit plane. Subplot, we're going to do 2 by 4, so that'll give us the 8 images. And this is the first one. And that's IMShow double B. And then just title is plane 1. And now we can kind of just copy and paste this for all 8. Just changing that to 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Five, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7. Then 8, 8. 8, and then run it. There's the original. And then here is that image broken out into 8 separate planes. Pretty cool looking. All right, and so that is a quick overview of some of the image processing fundamentals in Matlab. All right,